Hi there, we're back with another VIVE education video. In this video, we're going to show you how to play back videos on the VIVE Flow's internal storage. Let's get started.
Copy your regular or 360-degree videos to VIVE Flow and enjoy watching them on your VR glasses. First, connect VIVE Flow to your computer using a USB Type-C cable. In VIVE Flow, select File Transfer. On your computer, copy the videos to VIVE Flow's Download folder. Next, disconnect VIVE Flow from your computer and then connect VIVE Flow to a power source. Then, in VIVE Flow, open VivePort Video. First select Local and then select Download. Next, select the video you want to watch. While playing a video, you can use these controls to pause or resume playback, change to a curved or flat screen, move or resize the screen, and more. If you're playing a 360-degree video, select the eye icon under the playback controls to open the visual settings, and then select 360. For regular videos, you can also play them using the file browser. Open Settings, then go to Storage and select File Browser. Open the Downloads folder, and then select the video you want to play. With VIVE Flow, you can enjoy watching videos on your personal big screen.
Hey there, it's me again. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about VIVE Flow or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.